Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You, the player, start by opening Brawl Stars and tapping your portrait immediately. This jumps you to the profile area. Once there, go straight to the locker or pins section. This holds every sticker or pin you own. Make sure you actually unlocked a sticker before proceeding because the game won't let you equip an item you don't have. You're doing this now so you can change what appears in matches and in your profile quickly and without extra navigation. Now you scroll the list and choose the sticker you want to use. Take a moment to compare visuals since some look similar. Once you tap the sticker, press Equip or Set as Profile Sticker. This assigns it to your profile and to matches where stickers appear. After equipping, confirm the selection. This writes the change to your account immediately. If you plan to swap often, remember where the Equip button is so future changes are faster and less fiddly. Finish by returning to your profile to verify the new sticker displays as expected. Look at both profile and a quick match to ensure it appears in-game. If it doesn't show, restart the app to force a cloud sync. That usually resolves display glitches. If restarting doesn't help, make sure your internet connection is stable and confirm the sticker is genuinely unlocked on your account. If those checks fail, you may need to wait a minute and try equipping.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.